Yes, students. Now it's time to study about the second experiment, that is in the operational amplifier. We shall learn today the second one. What we have learned from the previous one is operational amplifier, inverting, non-inverting. Now we shall come to the operational amplifier adder and how op-amp can be a subtractor. Is it clear? Those two things we shall learn in this class today. Okay, then come to the circuit diagram. Okay, now we shall first think about circuit diagram, because you know about the kit, right? You know about the kit. Then I think need not explain once again the kit about this. Okay, directly come to that aim. So to construct an operational amplifier, adder, subtractor, and to find the output voltage for the different values of the input voltage. Is it clear? And we have to compare theoretical and as well as practical voltages. Right. Then pin configuration, you know about it. And then circuit. The circuit is what it is? Adder. What adder it is? Inverting adder. Which mode it is operating then?
Inverting amplifier.
Very good. Inverting mode it is operating. Is it clear? Then inverting, what is inverting mode?
When the input is connected to the
Input is connected to the pin number
Inverting.
2, inverting terminal.
with respect to the non-inverting, which is grounded.
Exactly it is. Okay, fine. Then I am connecting pin number 3 to ground.
Ground.
Then pin number 2. You know, it is only change is what you had only one resistor in the previous one. What you have learned, and this one what it is?
Two resistors.
resistors connected to where it is?
Inverting terminal.
Exactly. Then as RF everything will be same. Then all the values are 10k, because whatever you are using here, same it should be. R1, R2, RF values are same. You can see here we have mentioned R1, R2, R3, RF all are same. Is it clear? And this is what circuit it is? Subtractor. See, subtractor it is. This is adder, no? This is adder, inverting mode. It is working as adder. Subtractor means both the terminals are to be used.
Yes, sir.
So inverting as well as non-inverting, both are to be used. Okay, let me perform very first one, operation amplifier, how it is a adder. Okay, yes. Then what do we do very first? Biasing. Yes, please you do biasing now. You do biasing. Take a bias.
Yes.
Here only it is there, no? Take
Yes.
a bias. Okay. Yes, please. So now connect. Pin number 7 is where supposed to go?
Plus 12.
Very good. Pin number 7 has to go plus 12 volts. Yes. Then pin number, yes, it's supposed to go to minus 4. Very good. Then connect this one to where it is?
Ground.
Where is the ground? Here is the ground. And because it is an RPS ground, this is dual supply ground. Both has to be common only. Okay. If it is not, also reading will not be accurate. Okay. This is biasing is over. Then what's supposed to come? So now we shall connect the wires. Okay, the wires are required, and yes, please take the wires. Here the wires are present. Yes, please come. Here only it is there. Yes, come. See now, pin number 3. What we need to do?
Is grounded.
Very good. It should be ground. No, pin number 3 connected to ground. Very good. Then what we are supposed to do?
Pin number 2 is dummy, sir.
Pin number 2, you know, connected to 2 resistors, and then V1 plus V2. Is it clear? So here we shall first connect V1 and V2. Take 2 wires, connect V1 and V2. One is take 1 volt, other one is take different voltage. 2 volt you take. Yes, very good. See, this is a V1 and V2. We are changing, keep changing. Okay, this is okay. Instead of this, what I can connect? Okay, 1 and 2 volts. What I do? I'll do one thing. So first, let me connect 2 resistors of 10 kilo ohm. Here is 10 kilo ohm. Very good. Thank you. So here, it should connect it to the 2 resistors. Is it clear? This is clear. And let me connect these 2 to the dummy pins. Okay. Yes. Now we shall connect here 2 wires. Yeah, because I can keep changing, right? I can keep changing this. See, this is V1, it's V2. I can connect to 1 2 or 1 3 or 2 4, whatever you want, you can connect. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
This is clear. Okay, we have done pin number 3 ground. We have done 2 input terminal, that is inverting adder it is. 2 things I have connected to a resistor, and let me connect RF. Okay, which you would like to connect? Pa? Do you want to use this one or you want to connect dedicated resistor?
We'll use this.
This one only. Take 2 wires then. Connect between 2 and 6. You connect. If you want to use trainer kit, what do we have RF now? It is your wish. No issues. No. Short agbiduttama. So you are connecting to here right now and take one more wire between 6. What is the meaning of it? Between 2 and 6, what has come? RF has come. RF is not an external resistor. In the trainer kit only you have, no? That is why you are using, okay, 10K, you should be cross check this one. 10K, very good. Right now, everything is finished. How many resistors we are using? 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 resistors are the input resistor connected to the pin number 2. 1 is RF. Is it non-inverting? 4 is required. I'll tell you later. Okay. Now, okay. I think, okay, I'll use this manual because it's been filled. Let me write here the values. Okay. Fine. Then, okay. What is the voltage? 1, 2. Okay. You please connect. This one is 1. Next voltage V2, where do you connect? 2 volts. 2. Yes, please connect it. Yes. Is it clear? Finished. What is the voltage I'm supposed to get here? Theoretically, tell me.
Minus 3 volts.
Very good. It is minus 3 volt. Yes. Please take a this one multimeter. Check the voltage. Yes. Yes. Do measure. Okay. Do measurement. Yes. Make it on. Yeah. How much?
2.92.
Very good answer, right? Minus 2.92. Write down here. It is minus 2.92. Very good. Okay. Next is what we are supposed to do?
Change the voltage.
Change the voltage, no? 1.5. Do we have option here?
No, sir.
Wait, ma. 1.2 we don't have, no? 1.5 we don't have, no? Better we shall do one thing. Make it 2 volts, 2.0. Make it 3 volts, 3.0. Okay? Yes. Okay. What is the output voltage supposed to come? Minus 5, right? Minus 5. Yes. No measurement. Do measurement. Yes. 1 second. This has to be legible now. Yes, please. Yeah. Is it clear? How much? 4.86. Very good. Minus 4.86. Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Next trial you take 1 and 3, please. What is the voltage? You shall see. 1 volt and 3 volt. Yes. Very good. 1 and 3. What is the answer, my dear?
So minus 4 and minus 4.
1 and 4 he has done. Okay, no problem. No problem. Connect 3 also, 4 also. 1 and 4, na?
1 and 4 is 5 minus 5.
One second. If 5 already is there, no? Do one thing. 3 only you connect. Let me get minus 4. Very good. Minus 4. Yes, please. What is the voltage? Give me here. Yes, please. Do measurement. Minus 3.90. Very good. Minus 3.90. Like this, we are supposed to do the calculations, and this is the way of taking a reading for what? Adder. Op amp as a adder. Now shall we go for the subtract? Same thing. The only changes what it is we shall see. Resistors. Okay. 4 resistors we have. So here it is same. Here one more resistor means pin number 3 is not grounded. Here there is a circuitry. V1, V2 connected to the pin number 2, pin number 3. But one more resistor R3 is connected. So that is it is connected to the pin number 3 to ground. Okay. Remember this part of circuit we are supposed to do. Let me dismantle all the circuit. Okay. So yes. Now we remove the circuit and then we shall connect. Yes. Okay. Fine. Right. Okay. Everything is correct. Okay. Leave it. Now pin number 2, pin number 3, both resistors are to be used. No. 2 resistors. You can see here. What is that? You can see RI is connected to pin number 2, RI connected to the pin number 3, and V1, V2. Now you take these two terminals as V1 and V2. This is V1 right now, and this is V2. It is clear. Then what left?
One more
Pin number 3. Yes, please observe here. Pin number 3, a resistor is there. What is the value? 10K only.
10K.
From pin number 3, connect here. Dummy pin you connect. Yes. Then where it's supposed to come? Other end?
Grounded.
Very good. Take a wire, and you can ground this one to 0. Yes, please. Here, yes, it is supposed to connect it to 0. Okay, clear. Right now? Finished. Then what left? Okay, this is V1 and V2, wait. And what we are connecting? RF we are supposed to connect. Is it clear?
Yes.
RF is what? 10.
10.
Already it is 10 volt now.
Yes.
10 kilo ohm, right? Between 2 and 6. Yes, between 2 connected this one, and then yes, take a 6 pin number 6 is connected here. Yes. Yes, you have to connect that one, otherwise it will not work. Wait. Yes, connect pin number 4. Yeah, everything is connected, bro. Connected now. Yeah, see here, let me go for the trial now. What, V1 V2, it is, what is the formula? V2 minus V1. 2 minus 1, what is the answer? 1 volt has to come. Practically how much has to come?
Close to
1 volt only. Okay, first you do one thing. V1 has to be 1. Be careful. V1 1 volt,
Yes.
V2 2 volts. 2 minus 1, what is the answer? Yes. Yes, what is the answer has to come?
1.
Yes, please. What is the answer has to come? 1 has to come. We will see. How much is the answer?
0.99.
0.99. Yes, reading I have written here 0.99. Okay, done. Now what you do? Second trial you do. One thing. See, take 2 and 3. Yeah, take 2 and 3. Yes, I have done it. 2 and 3 means 3 minus 2. How much answer?
1.
Yes, I have to get here also plus 1. What is the answer I am getting?
0.98.
0.98 or 0.99. Is it clear? Yes. So theoretically it is 1. Last trial. See here, V1 is 4. Take this one as 4. V2 is 2.
Minus 2.
Yes. What is the answer?
Minus 2.
I should get here what answer? Minus 2 only. Measure it now. Yes. Minus 2. Minus 1.98. Right. Very good. Minus 1.